Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey man, if you're new to the channel, uh, thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man, if you like what you see out of this video. And I really appreciate it. So let's get to the video. Today's video is gonna be about, I just want to show you guys that you don't have to own a big old house or try to outdo it. I'm gonna I'm gonna show you. Sorry guys, I thought somebody was outside. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys on the setup that I have, and it's the cheapest way out. Still look luxury and nice, and yeah. So let's get to it, guys. All right. So first off, guys, this is my living room set that I have. Uh, you know, nice carpet on the floor. I got a big screen TV, 65 inch. Also got LED lights behind it. This is a 16 by 16 wide, I think, if I'm not mistaken, trailer. It is a trailer home, guys, so it is sitting on blocks and wheels underneath. I know a lot of people don't like that or trust that, but hey, we've been here through storms and floodings, so pretty much worked out for us. But yeah, we got some windows here, 3 tall windows. We also got some windows up top. So I'm just going over on touching base on how a trailer home can look if you guys didn't realize how much of an upgrade throughout the years that they're making these homes look like like big houses. So we got the marble countertop, real nice. And then we also have the black sink. I like the black sink as well. It doesn't get dirty that much. It doesn't even look dirty. Also, we have some LED lights underneath here, underneath that side, that underglow. We got some plugs here. We also got lights underneath here as well. Let's see what else we got. We got all wood on the wood texture on the doors. We have the stainless steel oven roof. That's what you want to call it. We got the backsplash, black splash. I really do like. They fixing these new trailer homes with the backsplash. Looks really nice to me. We got the nice handles, stainless steel handles on the drawers. We got stainless steel on the oven. Real nice oven. And we also have LED lighting under there as well. And they didn't install those. I installed those. I thought it would look a lot better. We also have the stainless steel ice box. Got your food in there, freezer. Also got your water and your ice. So we got some cubby holes here, guys. Put your glasses down there, your cleaning things. So I'm gonna walk on to the back. So we have a nice hallway, big old hallway, man. We still gotta fill up some things. We gotta fill up some wall space in here. There is a back door back here that you can walk outside. Now, some of the trailer homes that you'll buy now, they don't supply you with staircases. Some of them do, some of them don't. But I believe we have to make this one. It's my backyard, guys. Also comes with the AC, brand new. So if I turn around, guys, this is my daughter's room right there. We're not going in there, so it's super dirty. We got some things to do in there, fixing that up. You got your laundry room right here. And then also you have your guest bathroom. Put some nice little light fixtures on top. We got the white marble countertop on there. Makes it look real nice. Double sinks. And then we also have the, the cabinets for your towels and things like that. Tub. And then your toilet, Then we also have a room back here, guys. This is the, I call it my gym room. I work out in here every now and then. But I'm thinking about turning it into an office room for my YouTube, computer and all that. So drop a comment down below what you think. This was a movie theater room at first, but I changed it up to, a weight room, so you can come in and work out and things, just in case I didn't want to go to the gym. Got my flat screen TV up there, but like I said, I'm thinking about changing it to my YouTube room. But alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and walk to the master bedroom. And drop a comment down below, guys. Ask me anything you want to ask me about, the LED lights, on how I hooked them up or anything like that. I did it all by myself, so I didn't want to pay nobody to do it. So, but yeah, like I said, ask any questions. Also got a fireplace up there. Looks really nice. Let me show you guys on how that works. Hold on just a second. All right, let me turn it on for you guys. Just bear with me, guys. Hold on just a second, guys. All right, guys, for some reason I forgot it is a switch on top, but guess I have to have a remote to turn it on. But let me show you guys another feature that I got. This light here, you don't need a electrician to light it up or to wire it up. I wired it up myself, and then I pretty much turned it into a just a wall plug-in. And that's all I've done. So I'm gonna show you guys on how that look. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is how the light looks. It's very bright. I got that light fixture for about 70 bucks at Lowe's. And it was just a nice little cool fixture that I wanted to add, to the house. Something that the house didn't come with, just to give it a little more flavor. And it's all wired in the way I got it. And I also have another light fixture, guys. Is this one here. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the master bedroom. Alright guys, so we're in the master bedroom. Big room. We got a big room here, guys. Nice size room. You got your cabinets on top. As you can see, we do love Jordans. We got a lot of them. If you I made a video of my shoe collection. If y'all haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check that out. Also have lighting underneath the TV as well. So this is the master bathroom. We have a deep garden tub, and we never use this tub, guys. never got a chance to use it. We just, you know, we just prefer to get in the, you know, the stand-up shower. But this is what you get. You also get the, you know, the shelves to put your shower, your towels on, everything. I have my King logo on the wall as well. We also have the double sinks, just like the guest bathroom, you know. So we also have the stand-up shower as well. So yeah, guys, this is, you know, just a video to show you guys that you don't have to go out and buy a $300, $200,000 house when you can get something way cheaper and still looks badass. You know, it'll fit your budget as well. And so all you have to do, guys, find you some land, you know, whatever you want to look for, and you know, whatever acres that you want, and you just, you know, go ahead and plan out your deal. Go to Clayton Homes or wherever you want to get your trailer home from. We went to Clayton Homes. They gave us a good deal, and you know, we ended up with this one. So we've been in here for 2 years, and I can tell you this much, guys, is well worth it. Your payments won't be that much on this, you know. It's very reasonable. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and push that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share the video, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this this home, guys, my home. And you know, it's worth it, guys. That's all I gotta say. And so this is it for the video. If you have any questions about the LED lights, just drop a comment down below. I'll be, you know, happy to let you guys know on how to install them, what's the best way, because sometimes when they come in and the 3M tape on the back stripping, it don't stick that long. So I'll you know, I'll talk to y'all, and just drop a comment down below if you guys want to get some lights, you know. Just drop a comment down below and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to, you know, assist y'all. But this is King's Life, man. That's all I got, guys. That's it. Peace.